In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your text look blurred using some easy text effects. Now, whether you're trying to add an elegant touch to a presentation slide or create a visually appealing document, this technique is incredibly useful and simple to execute. Let's get started by learning how to achieve a blurred text effect in just a few steps. First thing you need to do is select the text that you want to apply this effect to. It's important to highlight the exact text you wish to transform, as this will help ensure that only the intended words are affected. Once your text is selected, we'll move on to the next step, which involves using the Home tab of your editing interface. Navigate over to the Home tab, and here you'll find various tools and options set up for you. What you're looking for is the Text Effects and Typography option. To locate it, look for the icon of a glowing A, which resides conveniently within the font group of your toolbar. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu of options for you to explore. Among the various effects available, you'll want to choose Glow. This option might seem a little counterintuitive if you're strictly thinking of blurring, but it provides the subtle, softened edges that closely mimic the effect you're aiming for. Upon selecting Glow, you'll see a palette of colors pop up, each offering unique attributes to the overall appearance of your text. At this stage, you should pick a color that is light in nature. Light colors tend to work best for this particular effect, as they create the necessary softening that gives the impression of a blur. Think soft pastels or light shades that might complement the existing colors in your document. Once you've selected your color, it's time to delve into adjusting the glow options. This step is crucial for refining your text to appear gently blurred. You can play around with both the size and the transparency sliders. By increasing the size, you'll expand the glow effect, and higher transparency levels will help soften the edges more. Remember, while it doesn't truly blur your text, it successfully softens the edges, granting it that blurred-like appearance. These adjustments might require a bit of experimentation, so feel free to tweak these settings until it fits the vision you have in mind. And there you have it. Your text now boasts a refined, blurred look that adds a unique aesthetic to your project. Practice makes perfect, and soon you'll be able to create these stunning effects quickly and intuitively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you add that extra flair to your text.